All my life, I thought electrons carried energy from the source to the device, but reality is completely different. Materials which conduct electricity do so because they have free-moving electrons, so it is intuitive to think that electrons carry the energy. Let's zoom in on the wire. Electrons are moving randomly in every direction at super high speeds, but in the forward direction, it is moving at a very slow speed. So an electron from the battery would take a lot of time to reach the bulb, but the power transmission is almost instantaneous. So where does the energy come from? Before we go in depth about the flow of energy, we first need to understand the concept of fields. A field is represented as every point in a 3D space having a value. For example, when a charge is present, its surrounding region has a higher value, making the field close to it stronger than points further away from, creating an electric field. Let's look at the electric fields in this circuit. The battery has a positive end and a negative end, so it has its own electric field. But when it is placed into the circuit, charges arise on the surface of the wire, known as surface charge. Thus, the whole circuit creates an electric field. This field is what causes electrons to move forward in the wire. In the bulb, the electrons are constantly getting accelerated by the field. As the electrons hit the lattice gains kinetic energy and starts vibrating more and more. The kinetic energy is then emitted as heat and light. The battery continuously pushes electrons through it and maintains the surface charge. By doing so, the battery transfers energy into the field and the field then transfers it to the bulb via accelerating the electrons. I hope you understand the flow of energy a little better now.